All right, guys, if you're out there and you need a new thermostat for your vehicle, one thing you need to remember is to get yourself a new O-ring that goes with it. Most thermostats out there today will not come with one. Just make sure you look on the box or when you're ordering it online to see if it does come with one. But most of them that I have seen do not come with the O-ring for it. So again, make sure you're getting the one specifically for that. This one's for an F-150. See how it just literally just sits on top of it. They do make some that kind of like have a groove on the inside of it that'll fit right in there. But this one is for an F-150. But just a reminder, so when you go out there and get a new thermostat, make sure you get your O-ring because it's not fun to tear apart your whole thermostat housing to get put a new thermostat in and then not have the O-ring.